Welcome to Windwood, a gated community located right here in Nokomis. If you've been looking for a move-in ready home with luxury upgrades and a private backyard oasis, this Triumph model home checks all the boxes. This home offers 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and over 2,300 square feet of beautifully designed living space. The open floor plan connects the living, kitchen, and dining areas, making it perfect for hosting friends and family. The kitchen is a chef's dream, with a large island, natural gas range, walk-in pantry, and tons of counter space. Outside, you'll find your own private retreat, a saltwater pool with a soothing waterfall, surrounded by lush greenery and preserved views. The covered patio is equipped with a natural gas hookup, perfect for alfresco dining. Windwood is a quiet, gated community of just 90 homes, surrounded by beautiful preserves and lakes, close to Nokomis and Venice beaches, not to mention plenty of shopping and dining. This home truly has it all: luxury, comfort, and a fantastic location. If you'd like to see it for yourself, feel free to get in touch today for a private tour. We can't wait to show you around.